Hey, what's up guys? Justin with AmericanTrucks.com, and we're doing some 0 to 60 testing here today featuring our brand new 2021 5-liter F-150. But as you'll notice, it's not alone, right? We also have a couple other red trucks behind it. Basically the latest iterations of the V8 engine in the Ram, the 5.7 Hemi backed by the 8-speed transmission, along with the 5.3 Silverado backed by the 8-speed transmission as well. Yes, it is the middle of winter here in PA, so therefore all of our tracks are closed, but we're gonna have a good old-fashioned Donnybrook here today in this big empty parking lot and just see who comes out on top 0 to 60 wise. Now to measure everything, we're gonna be using our Dragy. It's a GPS-based performance meter that is really accurate. So we're gonna get in each truck, we're gonna do a blast 0 to 60, probably in 4-wheel drive because it is a little chilly out here today, and getting these things to hook up from a dig in 2-wheel drive probably just isn't really gonna happen, and just see who comes out on top. Now my money of course is on the new 5-liter truck with that 10-speed transmission. I just think it's a rocket, but at the end of the day, we'll see who is the winner. Hey guys, subscribe to our channel if you dig this content. We sure love bringing it to you, but for now, we're gonna hop in that Chevy first and see what she's got. All right guys, so here we are, we're in our first truck for the day, the 2019 Silverado 5.3, making 355 horsepower, 383 pound-feet of torque at the crank as advertised. Yes, maybe a little outgunned here today compared to both the Ram and the F-150. Yes, the 6.2 would probably be a better matchup, but this is the hand we've been dealt and this is what we're testing. So we are gonna do all the trucks in 4 high to help eliminate wheel spin. Do have it in sport mode. We're gonna stall up the truck a little bit and then just hammer down. So here we go.
30, 60.
Okay, so 7.65 seconds, 0 to 60 time with a 2.560 foot time. Listen, obviously that's not setting the world on fire, but kind of what we might expect for a big truck like this with the 5.3. So now that this one's out of the way, we're gonna hop in the Ram next and see how she does. We are in our second vehicle here, the 2019 Ram. It's a 5.7 Hemi, of course. And this bad boy is making 395 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque. So certainly more than the Silverado and a little bit more fairly matched with our new 2021 F-150. In fact, the Ram's only down 5 horsepower, but making the same exact amount of torque as that 5-liter F-150. Again, 4 high, you guys know the deal. We'll stall it up a little bit and let her eat. Definitely a lot quicker than the Silverado.
60.
So let's see what we got there. 6.65 seconds, so a full second quicker than the Silverado, and it felt every bit of it, if not quicker. And this is pretty much what I would come to expect here for a truck at this power level, at this weight. This is a big girl, right? The Ram's a little heavier than the all-aluminum F-150, of course. If I had to make a guess, the new 2021 F-150, with the power that it has and the lighter body and the 10-speed, I'm gonna predict that thing's probably gonna click off something in the low 6 range. So one way to find out, let's hop in and give it a run. All right guys, here we are. Last but not least, the big enchilada, the 2021 F-150, which again, to jog your memories, is making 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque for the latest model year. So a slight advantage in the horsepower department, and about dead even here, or exactly dead even with that 5.7 Ram. So again, you know the deal. We got 4 high, we got it in sport. We're gonna stall it up to about $2 grand and then let it eat. 6.3 seconds, 0 to 60, a little over 3/10 faster than the Ram, which again, pretty evenly matched power-wise, but the big difference here, guys, power to weight, right? This truck being all aluminum definitely weighs a little bit less compared to that Ram, and the result is a quicker 0 to 60 time. 60 foot on the street, that's not too bad, but obviously launching in 4 high helps there big time. Just for the record, again, these trucks are completely bone stock, all 3 of them down to the wheels and tires, no tune, no mods, nothing like that, just a honest comparison between 3 of the heavy hitters, and as anticipated, the new F-150 came out on top. So that was a fun test with what I would say is somewhat predictable results, right? Unfortunately, the little 5.3 and the Silverado is just simply outmatched by both the 5.7 Hemi Ram along with that 5-liter 2021 F-150. And the results proved it, right? 6.6 for the Ram compared to the 6.3 here for the F-150. Now, for science sake, we did do 2 runs in each truck, and we just took the best of each run. Now, guys, keep in mind here, you have a couple things working again in the advantage of that F-150. You got the all-aluminum lighter truck working for you, along with a slightly more favorable rear gear ratio in the F-150, 355 rear end here for the F-150 compared to the 321 in that Ram. So as a result, you got a 0 to 60 time that's a little quicker, but at the end of the day, 2 ripper trucks, absolutely. And you know, maybe with the 6.2, the Chevy would have been a little bit more in the fight. But hey, if you guys want to see more 2021 content, you should know what to do by now. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and more coming your way very soon. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.